Okay. So this is the first screen. When you log in, I have provided login, Google login. So basically, the Google is far secure login than any other login, and we are not getting any user ID and passwords. So this is the login, Google login we have provided. Okay.
Yeah.
Now, when you log in, you will see, you will come to dashboard, and on dashboard, this is the area where you can manage your profile. You can manage your company profile as well, right? Now you can turn off your cameras, so it will, it will be fast transmission of data. You can turn off your cameras, but please keep your mic turned on. Okay.
Yeah.
So this is the area where you can manage your profile. You can manage your company profile. You can change Google account. At times you feel that you want to change a Google account from one to another. You can do it. This is the area where you will be notified about any changes happen in the system when you. So this is the notification area. When you add any person to project or job, or if you are asked about any query, then you will be notified here.
Okay.
This is the area where who's doing what right now. So generally we develop a habit in our office that every now and then we ask our team member what you are doing. Have you observed this kind of habit has developed in you? Hello?
Yeah.
Right? So we are
Yes.
wasting a lot of time asking this question, what you are doing. Now, if you understand why we are asking this, we want to make sure that each and every team member is currently doing what he's supposed to do right now. Am I right?
Okay.
So here you will be getting list of all the persons and currently on which project he is working. Okay, I'll show you how it happens, right, in a moment. This is time tracker. So any practice management software, if you reach at a level where you want to control your cost as well, so you want to start timesheet practice. Timesheet can be filled up in two ways. First is at the end of the day or at the end of the week, you ask your team member to fill in their timesheet. Another way is time tracker. So we have allowed both the features. There are two features. One is time tracker, whereby automated timesheet is filled up, and another is by punching the timesheet entries. Okay.
Yeah.
So the first page that you see is dashboard. On dashboard, I try to cover all those things which are important to chartered accountants, the problems the chartered accountant face. Now, the first problem that chartered accountant faces is related to due dates.
Yeah.
Right? So this is due date.
Yeah.
Now, so what is the problem? The problem is I am always concerned about missing the due dates. I may miss some due dates. I may miss projects which has due date today or this week. Right? So this is the concern for me. I wanted a solution for this.
Yeah.
So this is a solution. Here I will show you number of projects with due dates today, number of projects with due dates this week, and number of projects overdue. So this is not just the number of projects. If I click this number, I'll be getting that project list as well. You following me?
Yeah.
Okay. So if I click this 294 projects, I'll be getting detailed list of all the projects which are overdue.
Okay.
Can you see 294 projects?
Yeah.
For this demo purpose, I will request you to assume as if this is your company. Right?
Okay. Yeah.
Now, I'm telling to you that you have missed 294 projects, right? The due date has been missed by you or your team. How do you feel?
That's not good. We should be done everything in time.
Perfect. right? Now,
Yeah.
how if I tell you that out of 294, 245 due date missed because client has not given us the detail? How do you feel about it?
Then there is no proper communication.
You getting my point? So
Yeah.
there are 294 projects in which we miss the due dates, but out of 294 projects, 245 are the projects in which client has not given us the details.
Okay.
One project is such that where our team member has not started, though the client has given the details, but our team has not started working on it.
Okay.
There are 4 projects which are in progress even today. Even today, they are in progress. And 44 projects are such that where our team did something on the project, but they were expecting some clarification from the client or some more documents from the client, and client didn't provide it.
Okay.
How do you feel about it now? If had it been the case, I have given you only 294 projects and not shown you the detail 245, 1, 4, 44, right? It will be another, you will be more tensed. But if I given you this kind of detail, it will relax you a little bit. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Right? So in all the other softwares, you will be getting this kind of list where all the projects are shown in a list 294. But here we are also showing why, at which stage the project is pending. At the time of when we are seeing this list, what is the stage of the project?
Okay.
Am I right? One more thing.
Yeah.
Now, again, consider you have missed 294 projects. What you can do about it? Hello?
Yeah. Yeah. Please carry on, sir.
Yeah, what you can do about it? You have missed 294 projects. Out of those 245 projects, client has not given us the detail. What you can do about it?
Correct.
You can make follow-up to those clients. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
So what you can do, you can assign these multiple projects to particular person.
Okay.
Okay? You can assign to this particular person. Okay, you do this follow-up work to these projects. Can you do this?
Okay.
Right.
Yeah.
Now further, you can inquire more about it, why it is pending, why the client has not given the detail. You want to know about it or not?
Yes.
Okay. So if I expand this, I'll be getting the reason why it is pending.
Okay.
You getting my point?
Yeah. Yeah. Yes, sir.
Okay. Just a minute, sir. Just a minute, sir. I'm going to show you another company where you will be getting more clarification. Just a minute. Okay. So firstly, we were on due dates on dashboard. So there are 41 projects which are
Yeah.
due.
Yeah.
Where we missed the due dates. Out of that, 21 client has not given us the detail. 3 projects staff has not started working on it. But I want to know why the
Yeah.
client has not given us the detail, right? I want to know the reasons. So I can get the detail view here. Here, staff can mention the note. Sir, I have called him. He will come on so and so date,
Okay.
right? And he can make a reminder as well, like this.
Okay.
So that note will appear here, right?
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Likewise, now what you can do about it? You can change the team who's working on the project. Yes or no? Right?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. I'm again going to home page. So I think we have done good job as far as due date is concerned. Do you have any other questions?
No.
Okay. Second is project completed. At times we feel that
Yeah.
we have not done much work in this month or in this week,
Mhm.
right? Or yesterday, right? So those kind of
Mhm.
questions, okay, creates tension in our mind, and we waste
Mhm.
lot of time, right? Had it been the case that we get a list of projects completed today, this week, or this month, it will be a great solution. It will ease our tension, right?
Yeah.
Hello?
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay, so here you will be getting two things. First, it will display the number of projects that you completed yesterday, this week, and this month. This will give
Okay.
you the count of the project. On the click of the project count, you will be getting the list of project as well.
Okay.
Okay, further, now when I say this month we have not done much work, so when we say this, what do we mean by that? We mean by that the cost we incurred and the revenue, that is the revenue that we generated is not much. We want to compare cost to the cost recovery. Am I right or wrong?
Yeah,
So
yeah.
if you develop a practice that you can standardize, you can standardize cost of each and every project. Say you do 3B. Okay, now
Mhm.
if I ask you what is the standard cost of 3B in your firm,
Okay.
I'm not asking about the price you charge to client. I'm
Yeah.
asking about the internal cost, that is time cost of your staff member. If you can do
Yeah.
standard costing in your firm, right? You can say that
Yeah.
our
Mhm.
standard costing should not go beyond 400 rupees. You getting my point?
Okay. Yeah,
Right?
yeah.
So suppose you set the standard cost at the rate of 400 rupees for 3B. Now this month you have
Mhm.
done only 3B, okay, and you have done
Yes.
500
Mhm.
3B. So you did 500 3B, okay. So, at the rate of
Mhm.
400, this is the standard cost. So the cost recovery comes to 2 lakh rupees.
Yeah.
Am I right?
Correct. Yeah, yeah.
Right. But the salary payment you made is 2 lakh 50,000. What does it denotes?
Mhm. I mean, we incurred cost more.
We incur cost more, right? Maybe staff is not efficient about it, or
Correct.
maybe the client job is very technical and we should charge more.
Yes.
Till now we were not knowing what is happening,
Mm-hmm.
but from this software you will be able to know the deviation.
Okay.
Am I right or wrong?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, shall we proceed further?
Yes, yes.
So I have given you two problems, right? And I hope you are writing about it, right? Okay, now the next is uh, this practice is very usual as far as CA practice is concerned,
Okay.
right? In any other profession, they do not have this practice. What kind of practice it is? It is making the list. So you ask your team member, please
Mm-hmm.
prepare list of projects which are pending because client has not submitted challan. You have prepared income tax return, but client have not filed challan. Hello?
Yes, yes.
Am I right or wrong? Or you want to ask, give me the list of projects which are pending because client has not given us the Aadhaar card. Or, or I'm visiting a particular income tax officer. I want to know the list of projects which are pending to that officer. Hello?
Okay. Yeah. Yes, sir. Please carry on.
You follow? Are you following me or not?
Yeah, yeah. I'm following you. Please
Okay.
carry
Now,
on.
suppose this is the list, escalate. This is the list escalate. Now what is this list? This means that I'm asking my team member to keep a word, keep a tag escalate like this tagging feature. Okay, so I'm just advising my team member to write the word escalate, which will escalate the project to me. It will prepare a list of escalated project. You getting my point?
Okay.
Yeah. So
Yeah, yeah.
it can be anything, escalate or anything, whatever. So what will happen? Every morning, our system will prepare the list of projects which are escalated today,
Yeah.
right? So
Yeah.
that list will appear, the count will appear here. On the click, you'll be getting that list.
Yeah.
Adding tag is very easy. All you need to do is to train your team member about the standard tags that you should be preparing. Okay? And your team member will be able to add like this,
Okay.
right? This will, generate the count every morning. Now tag can be added to project, tag can be added to contact. So there are basically important modules: contact, company, project, and accounts. Contact means associated contact with our client. So you have client and associated contact, right? And the contact associated with that company. You getting my point? You can add tags in
Please repeat
contact,
what you said.
company, project, and accounts.
Sir, please repeat what you said.
Uh, when I'm going to this on company module, I will show you. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Now next thing is project deviation. So
Okay.
if you develop habit of standard costing as well as turnaround time. So what I mean by turnaround time? If I given you all the details about 3B, how many days will it take to complete the project? Can you set the standard for that?
We can.
Hello?
Yes, yes.
You can definitely develop standards for each and every practice.
Correct.
You can say that for 3B will take 3 days. For GSTR1 will take 5 days. For
Yeah.
audit we will take 10 days. Am I right or wrong?
Yes, yes.
So if you are developing this practice, I should definitely help you in projects which are deviating from those standards. Yes or no?
Okay.
So you'll be getting the count which are deviating, projects which are deviating from the standard time.
Okay.
And here you'll be getting projects which are deviating from standard cost.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
One more thing. Now, this happens in CA practice only, I guess. We give so many commitments to our client and officers, right? And we get commitments from them as well, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
So we need a personal secretary who can remind us about the commitment for today. Yes or no?
Yes, yes.
Okay, right? So what we have done, if you mention any note in the project like this client will come on 25th. Okay, and you set the reminder as well.
Okay.
Now what will happen on 25th? You will be getting notified here, right? You will be getting notification here. You getting my point?
Yeah, yeah.
Right? So the notes which you are typing on the project or account statement will be notified here, right? Suppose today is 25th and you will be notified about the notes related to today. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, we are moving ahead.
But I have a question, sir, here.
Yes sir, tell me.
See the note which is been, see, as a user, I can keep a note.
Yeah,
Whether the admin can access that note in his page also.
sir, what will happen? I tell you, sir. First of all, the user who's typing will be notified, and second, the admin, all the notes will appear to admin.
Okay.
Right? And this should happen, right? So your team member has given commitment to officer, right? Now you want to track whether
Yeah.
he's meeting his commitment or not,
Mm-hmm.
right? And to track
Yeah.
that, you should be notified about the same as well.
Okay.
Who has given what kind of commitment to whom?
Mhm.
Yes or
Mhm.
no?
Yeah.
Okay. Shall we proceed?
Okay.
Yeah. Next is company list. Now, any practice management software should have this feature, right? We
Yeah.
should have list of clients. So this is list of your clients.
Okay.
Okay. Now you are also keeping list of your client. How you are managing your list? Hello.
No, we have the Excel like
You're
our
okay. You are keeping in Excel format, right?
yes.
Now, so this is list of your client.
Mm.
Okay. In this list, Vikranta Fabrics is your client. Okay.
Okay.
You want to know who's the contact person associated with Vikranta Fabrics. You want to know about it, yes or no? Vikranta
Yeah.
Fabric is your client, and you want to know the contact person for Vikranta Fabric. There are two contact person.
Mhm.
It's a Surya, right, and
Yeah.
Vikram.
Okay.
Okay. Now, Mr. Surya, you want to know his contact details, his mobile number,
Mhm.
email ID. You can see it, and you want to know whether how many companies Surya is associated with. So Surya is associated with Vikranta Fabrics, and Surya is also
Okay.
associated with Dhruva Finance.
Okay.
How do you feel about it, sir?
Good.
Okay.
So. Mm.
So you can interlink. This is contact. So maybe contact person is your accountant. Suppose one accountant is there who's doing accounting work for so many companies and
Yeah.
is coming to you for compliance work,
Yeah.
right?
Yes.
If you see that accountant, you'll be getting the list of companies is associated with.
Okay.
This will help us help our team member in
Mhm.
understanding the nature of client and how important that client is.
Yeah.
Okay. Now
Yes.
next thing is here you are also getting number of services you are offering to this particular company.
Okay.
So you are offering 30 services to this particular company.
Okay.
You want to see what are those services?
Yeah.
These are the services you are offering to this company. Can you see, sir?
Okay. Yeah.
Right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Right? You want to add one more like this, simply you can do it. You want to remove one,
Okay.
you can do it. Is
Mm.
that clear, sir?
Mm.
Okay.
Yes. Yes.
First of all, your client list, associated contact. Third, number of services we are offering to this particular client. Now, do you want to see at what price we are offering these services to this particular client? You want to see that?
Yeah.
Hello?
Yes. Yes, sir. Yeah.
Okay. Can you see this?
Okay.
This is the contracted amount for each and every service offered to this particular client.
Okay.
Good?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, uh, this is clear to you, sir?
Yes. Yes. Very much.
Okay. Now, one more thing. Now, one logic is there. If we manage our service, so this is a setting where you can manage list of service offered by you. If
Okay.
I ask you a question, how many services you are offering in your firm? What
Mm-hmm.
would be the number?
Sorry.
How many services you are offering in your firm?
Yeah.
How many services?
This accounting, taxation, audit.
Right. And all the team members are aware about it, right?
Yes.
Okay. Now, this is list of services that you are offering in your firm. Now, out of those services, some service may be of recurring nature.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So what you can do, you can provide the recurring pattern.
Mm-hmm.
You can provide the recurring pattern. Just a minute, sir. I can provide recurring pattern here. Every month first. Okay. This is my recurring pattern. Right?
Yeah.
Am I right or wrong, sir?
Yes, yes.
Okay. So current month is May. On 1st of June, projects should get automatically created for 3B. Yes or no? For all those clients whom we are offering this service. Hello? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir. I am there. Please carry on.
Okay. So what we did, we provided a list of services that you are offering in your form, and within that list, in each and every service, you can mention the recurring pattern.
Okay.
If you did this, and thereafter you are linked that service to each and every client, right? Then projects should get automatically created. Yes or no?
Okay.
So here the magic happens with 3 simple steps. First, list of service. Second, linking the recurring pattern. Third, linking that service to client. If you do these steps once for all, right, the project will get created automatically. You getting my point, sir?
Okay. Yeah.
So 3B project will be created. Suppose 3B, there are 500 clients related to 3B. So 3B project will be created on 1st of every month. So on 1st June, your 3B clients, right, project will get created. Yes or no? So when I say project means company name, service name, and period.
Okay.
Am I right, sir? So if it is 3B, if it is 3B, 5-star company, 3B, May, likewise. You getting my point?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, as far as recurring projects are concerned, project will be created automatically. But what about the non-recurring project? There are projects which are not getting, which are of non-recurring nature. Say, for example, company formation, or litigation service, or drafting service, or pen cards, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Now those projects you have to create manually.
Okay.
I'm clear about it, sir?
Yeah.
Recurring you can automate. Non-recurring you have to do it manually. There is no other way.
Okay.
Right? Okay. Now when projects get created, it will appear in the first stage. This is stage.
Yeah.
Okay. Right? And this is a status node. Am I right?
Okay.
So project will be created and will appear here on lead. Lead means client has not given us the details. Am I clear?
Yeah.
Okay. There are 982 projects pending in your office. Out of 982, 784 client has not given us the detail.
Okay.
You can do nothing about it. Yes or no?
Yeah.
What you can do, you can make follow-up, and if that follow-up happens automatically, great. Yes or no? So when projects get created, automated email and SMS and mobile notification will get triggered to that particular client.
Yeah.
Second, do you feel that one notification or one email or one SMS will force client to come on their own?
No.
No. So we require multiple reminders. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Can we say pattern like this? Every Monday, automated email should trigger to client if project is still there in lead.
Okay.
Can we do this?
We can.
Yes. Okay. Now suppose this particular client has given you the detail. Mr. Global Enterprise has given you the detail. He has given you the detail. your staff member has to do like this. Can you see the count, sir?
Yeah, yeah.
It is 784. Now it is 783.
Okay.
Can you see that?
Yeah, yeah.
Should I do one more?
No, no. If suppose any partial information is given, then in that case, what
Yeah.
can be done?
Yeah, I tell you. Suppose you have asked 10 document to that particular client, and that client is giving you 8 documents, right?
Yeah.
And he's asking you to do something about it. Meanwhile, he will provide us the 2 more documents.
Correct.
Right? So
Yeah.
you can move it further, not started, but a day will come where it will come to hold. You getting my point? Right? Your team member is doing that, but now he has reached to a level where he wants to hold the project.
Okay.
Am I right, sir?
Yeah, yeah.
Right? This is what you are asking, right?
Correct.
So we have, what we have done, we have created a workflow. This is how project moves in our office, from lead to not started to in progress to on hold and then completed. Yes or no, sir? Right? Now, so I was talking about automated reminder. You can set things like that. Every Monday, when if the project is still on lead, that client will get reminder through email and SMS. This will increase probability that client will turn up on his own. But there are some fantastic clients who expect call from our team member, right? So what your team member can do, he can write status like this: sir, I have called him. He will come on 25th, right? This is a status mentioned by one of your team member. He's actually made a call and asked that particular client, and the client has given us the detail that hey, I'm going to come on 25th. Okay, he's setting reminder for 25th as well. So what will happen? The color will change, sir. Can you see the color has changed from red to black?
Okay.
Can you see this color?
Yes.
This color has changed from red to black. It will it will become red again on 25th.
Okay.
So it will, that your team member will be notified about the status and is supposed to mention on the red color projects. Okay, sir, just a minute, sir. Avinash, थोड़ा busy हूँ. चलेगा ना? Okay. You getting my point, sir?
Yeah.
So if I ask you one question, can you develop this kind of habit that your team member should change the stage? Is it easy for them? Hello?
Yes.
Okay. Now, can you develop this habit of writing the status when project is red color? Can you do this?
Yeah.
Right? You need to develop 2 habits in your office. First, when the project is in red color, your team member is supposed to mention status note there. If it is black color, fine. But if it is red color, that team member is supposed to do something. Can you read this, sir?
Yeah.
Can you read that?
Yes. Mention when you called, visited, and when client is going to come, or give details. Yeah.
It is perfect, sir?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay. Now, if the projects are on not started, right? The status will appear like this.
Yeah.
Read. Can you read, sir?
Yes. As a project manager, mention when are you planning to start this work?
Perfect, sir.
Yeah.
If it is not in progress.
Okay.
As
plan to finish. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Perfect, sir.
Yeah.
And on hold.
Okay.
Mention pending from client or department side, reasons, and next follow-up.
Okay. Yeah.
All you need to do, sir, is first you have to develop 3 habits in your office. First, your team members should not do any task if it is not there in the project list of Easycloudbook. Yes or no?
Correct.
right? This habit will ensure that there will be no project left to be built. Am I right, sir? Second,
Correct.
whenever your client has given you the document, right, your
Mm-hmm.
team member is supposed to change the stage,
Correct.
right? If your
Yeah.
team member does not develop this habit, it will create conflict between you and your client.
Yes.
Why conflict, sir? Because your client will be getting automated email again and again that we are expecting your documents.
Okay.
It will create tension between you and your client.
Okay.
It is a system, sir, right?
Mm-hmm.
The rail will definitely run on track. It is a system.
Okay.
If someone is lying on the tracks, it doesn't mean the train will stop on its own. It is a system. It will run on its own. Yes or no, sir?
Yeah. Yeah.
Right? So this is the problem of the system. If you can't develop this habit, this system is not for you, sir.
Okay.
So I'm asking you again, can you develop these 3 habits in your office?
We
Right?
have to, in case, see, if you want to manage our office in proper way, then this is the thing we need to
And
inform
I'm
the
asking for 3
employees.
simple things. I'm asking for 3 simple things. I'm not asking much, sir. What I'm asking, your team member should move the stage. This is the first. Second, if it is red color, your team member is supposed to mention note here, right? So all you need to do is to make sure that all the projects which are of red color, they are supposed to provide note there. Can you see the count 778 and 773, sir? Can you see this? It's small box count.
Yeah.
So small box count denotes the number of red projects.
So 773 is the
Number of projects
red one.
in red color.
Okay. Okay.
You getting my point, sir?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. So again, I'm repeating, you have to develop 3 habits. Can you write it down, sir?
Yeah.
First, because the success of this system is dependent upon these 3 habits. First is, your team member should not work on any project if it is not there in Easycloudbooks.
Okay.
This will ensure that there is no project left to be built.
Okay.
Second, your team member should be comfortable enough to move the project from one stage to another stage.
Okay.
Third, if the project is in red color, they are supposed to provide note, status note.
Yeah.
Am I clear on this, sir?
Yeah.
Okay. If these 3 habits are developed, 80% of your problem will get solved. This is my assurance.
Okay.
Okay. Now, one more thing, sir. Now,
I have a question here.
yes, sir.
See, while giving the assignment itself, we'll be mentioning that start date and the end date.
Yes, sir.
So we get the information from the client, and then the employee will keep it as a in progress.
Sir, instead of this start date and end date, why don't you develop system of standard turnaround time?
That is another thing. Okay, that you see, if GST or 3P you say like this many times, that will be the turnaround time that I understand.
So why
what I'm asking,
this is the start date, this is the end date. When I've assigned the project to a particular team member, right? And this is a lead. Lead means turnaround time will not tick, right? It will start ticking only after it comes on note started. Am I clear to you, sir? If the project is on lead, right, the time will not start ticking.
Yeah.
Okay?
Lead means that we have not received any information, so we cannot start it.
Yes, obviously.
Correct.
Okay.
So not started means like information is there, but we have not started.
Yes. So here the time will start ticking, sir. This is your problem. This is not client's problem.
I understand.
Right? See, here the time will start ticking. And therefore, I'm asking my team member when you're planning to start this work. Am I right or wrong, sir? Here I'm asking when you are planning to finish this work. And here I'm asking, what is the reason it is on hold? Now, when the projects come to hold, it will stop ticking. Hello? Hello?
Yeah, yes, sir.
When the project again comes to on hold, like the example you have mentioned, I asked my client 10 documents. He has given me the 8 document. I have started working on it. Whatever I could do, I have done that. But now the project is on hold. Should the time start, should the time continue to tick, or it should stop? Hello?
No, it will continue to ticking.
Sir, it is on hold. It is because of the client has not given the document.
Yeah, correct.
Right? If the client has not given the document, why it should start? It should continue taking the time. Right? Suppose your turnaround time is 3 days. Okay. Now your team member has completed project, right? But now he is expecting 2 more documents. In 2 days, he has done this. Okay. Now the project is on hold. Okay. After 1 day, it should not be 3 days. It should be only 2 days only, because the client has not given us the document. Yes or no?
Yeah.
This is the logic.
Okay.
Right? Okay. So instead of start date and end date, so we have this due date facility. This is due date. Due date can be of any time, anything. Like it is a legal due date, or it may be a milestone due date that we have mentioned in our project.
Correct.
You getting my point? I again repeat.
Yes.
It can be a milestone due date as well. It may be a custom due date. So I may have multiple milestone in a project, right? Phase 1, phase 2, phase 3, and I have phase 1 due date, phase 2, 3, 2 due dates. That kind of due dates I can mention. I can mention multiple due dates. Am I right? Okay.
Yeah.
Now, as far as list view is concerned, whatever we discussed till now, right? What more you want? You want filters. You want to filter the project as per staff member. Can you do this?
Okay.
Yes or no, sir? You are sitting.
Yeah.
You are sitting with a particular staff member and you want to review his work. He may be overloaded and you want to offload some of his work. What you can do, you can look at this particular staff member project and you can assign some of the projects to other team member.
Okay.
You can do this, sir. This is clear to you?
Yeah.
Okay. You may want to view project of particular service.
Okay.
You can do this. Am I right, sir?
Yeah.
Okay. You can view project of particular company.
Okay.
Clear?
Yeah.
Any more filter you want, sir?
Okay.
Do you wish to have any other filters?
No.
Hello?
No.
Are you sure?
Please.
Are you sure you don't want any other filters, sir?
Like that is what, like in case in between employee and the admin, if manager is working, then manager wise that anyway his option is there.
Okay.
And you are also given the custom filter. I think that is which is not there. We can take the filter out of it. Am I so correct?
Suppose I want to know the projects of. I want to see projects of new client. New client means clients who have onboarded this month. Okay. So I want to make sure that they have a great experience onboarding in our office. So I want to track all those projects which belongs to new client.
Okay.
Right? Or I want to view the projects of telecom industry. That is, clients belong to telecom industry.
Okay.
Or maybe I want to view the projects of those clients whose fees is pending beyond 50,000 rupees, and I want to stop those work.
Okay.
Right? How to do that? So you may come across these kind of questions in future, and you may want to ask, I want this kind of feature. How to provide that? So you need filters beyond these filters which I have default provided, sir. Yes or no, sir?
Yeah.
Okay. So what if I claim that I am offering you more than 1 crore filters?
Okay.
1 crore, sir. It's not 1 lakh, 1 crore.
Mm.
Right? Would you believe it?
Mhm.
Hello?
Yes. Yeah,
Would you
yeah,
believe,
please.
would you believe it, sir?
You see, you're saying no, so the it might be correct.
Okay. So here is the magic.
Okay.
Sir. Here is the magic. This is variable. This is
Mhm.
operator, right? And this comes in combination. Any number of variables, sir.
Okay.
You getting my point, sir?
Yeah, yeah.
Any number of variables, operator, you can create a query and you can search the data, right? You can also save the query, right? So all you need to do is create the query. You must be doing query in Tele, right?
Yeah.
Right? So that kind of query module is there, but
Okay.
you can save query as well. So you need not create that query again and again.
Okay. Okay.
All right, sir?
Yeah, yeah. Yes, yes.
Clear to you, sir?
Yes, yes. Yeah.
Okay. So I given you more than 1 crore combination, right?
Mhm.
Now, as far as list view is concerned, it is very good for owner or manager of the firm. Yes or no, sir?
Yeah.
What the owner can do, they can definitely check the stages of the project. They can definitely know the status of the project, and
Mhm.
they can definitely, manage the work by by doing some team changes.
Okay.
Am I right or wrong, sir?
Yeah, yeah.
Easy to change the team. Okay,
Okay.
right? So these are the things which the owner or manager can do, and this list view is very good for the manager and owner. Here,
Mhm.
owner is able to view all the projects. And here, team member will be able to view only those projects which are assigned to him. This is a shared
Correct.
list. This is a shared list between owner and team
Yeah.
members. Owner will be able to see
Correct.
all the projects. Team member will be able to
Mhm.
see the project assigned to them. We have
Correct.
team member as well as manager. So there is project manager
Yeah.
as well as member. If you
Okay.
tick on right
Yeah.
side, it is manager. If you tick on left side, it is
Yeah.
member. Am I right, sir?
Okay. Yeah, yeah. Okay.
Okay. So as far as owner and manager is concerned, list view is perfect, sir.
Mm-hmm.
Right? So do you feel control? Owner has got control now for the entire workflow, entire work which is going on in their office? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, this is good for owner. But what about the actual, these staff who's working on the project?
Mm-hmm.
He wants to know how to do this assignment, right? He
Mm-hmm.
want to know the steps of the doing assignment.
Okay.
So he should go inside the project,
Okay.
and if he go inside the project, he'll be getting to do's here.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now this
Mm-hmm.
can be standard as well.
Yeah.
So this can be manual as well, and this can be standard. Standard means template. You need to create template, right? We have offered you templates in marketplace. You can import those templates, right? You need not create from scratch. You can
Okay.
start importing from market, and you can do the necessary editing that you want.
Okay.
Okay. So what the staff member is going to see here? He can see the name of the company.
Mm-hmm.
He can see the
Yeah.
service, right? Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And he can see the project members. Who's the contact person associated with this company? Yes or
Okay.
no?
Yeah.
Okay. And he can see due dates, to dos, right? He can complete the to do like this.
Mm-hmm.
Can you see, sir?
Yeah. Yeah.
You can specifically assign a particular task to specific member.
Okay.
If you assign a specific task to a specific member, only that member will be able to complete this task,
Okay.
right?
Yeah.
Then here you will be getting timesheet cost as well. All the
Okay.
team members will appear here who are working on this project, and the
Mm-hmm.
timesheet, the punching they have done will
Mm-hmm.
do the cost of the project.
Okay.
Okay. Here your team member can ask the queries. They can ask you queries, or they can ask queries in between the team. Okay.
So when they ask a query in between, it will appear in the other person's screen as well.
Sir, note this will appear only to those persons who are working on this project.
Correct. Yeah.
Okay. So there will be,
the team has 3 people.
Yeah.
So three. Whenever someone is asking query, it will appear in the other 2 people's screen.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay.
Okay.
So suppose three members are working.
Is it kind of an internal chat?
This is not the chat, sir. This is query.
Okay. This is not chat.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Shall I move ahead, sir? Here you will be getting the status note. All these status note on list. You were in list view. You were able to see only two notes, right? Where here you will be able to see all the notes. Status notes. Right?
Yeah.
Then next is notes. This is working note.
Okay.
So we can provide, a specific, diary, work diary to each and every team member, right? This is what I have checked. This is what I have calculated, and so on, right? So they can keep a working paper as far as their work is concerned on this project.
Okay.
You getting my point, sir?
Yeah.
Right? All the team member will be able to see the working notes of other team member within a project, but they will not be able to edit or delete it.
Okay. So person who has made the note, he can only do it.
He can do it, sir.
Okay.
You getting my point?
Yeah.
Even the owner, sir. Even the owner cannot do it, sir.
Owner cannot.
Even the owner. I'm repeating it again because some of the clients expect something else. But I'm stating it straightforward that even the owner cannot change this status note, this notes. Only that person can do it.
Correct.
You can definitely understand the logic of it.
Yeah. See, if suppose if I can edit any time, then it doesn't mean there is no, what do you say,
yes, sir.
There is no relevance of it. Like whoever's done it, they must be editing the option.
Yes, sir. Am I clear to you, sir? Okay.
Correct. Yes, sir.
Makes sense, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, one more thing, sir. For building this Easycloudbooks, sir, I have done enough motion study as well. Okay. You won't believe I was observing my team member, what he actually needs when he's actually doing a job. They need some client data, like master data, like PAN number, Aadhaar card, login ID, password. Yes or no, sir?
Yeah.
So if I can help them in getting those in an easy way, right, that will be great help to them. Yes or no? So we have provided 2 kinds of custom field. One is project custom field and second is company custom field. So company custom field is nothing but the master data. Here you can mention ID, password, Aadhaar card, PAN card. So only once we have to get the details, but those details will be master data, will appear in each and every project, sir.
Okay.
And project custom field means which will change from project to project. So it will be blank in each and every project. Yes or no, sir?
Yeah.
Am I clear, sir?
Yes.
Okay. Now, if your staff is filling up this project custom field, this may be like turnover. Suppose you are filing 3B for May. Okay. And your team member mentioned turnover for May is this. Purchase is this. GST calculation is this. Carry forward GST is this. If he can mention like this, I can help you in automatically sending this summary data to client in email. Hello?
Okay. Yeah. Yes, sir.
So makes sense, sir? So you can send the summary data to client and he will be able to see the actual work done, right? And he can validate it, sir. Okay. So it will, it will somehow, reduce the conflict between you and your client. Your client suddenly comes to you, sir, your staff member has done mistake. I was not aware that he has done mistake. But here you can mention the important keys data to the client, and you can send it automatically to client through email. He can validate it, right? Yes or no, sir?
Yeah.
Okay. One more thing, you wish to have documents. Your team member wants to view the documents of that particular client,
Okay.
right? This is show document.
Yeah.
Can you see? This is algebra software, and these are the client's detail, client's document. Can you see? Here you can upload Word, Excel, anything. Okay? And you can definitely email these folders to client like this. Okay?
Okay.
Right? If you wish, I can show you some of the documents, how to upload it. It's very easy, sir. All you need to do is just drag and drop.
Yes, sir. I have gone through it, I think.
Okay. Shall we proceed, sir? So there are 4 kind of folders, sir. One is client folder, that is algebra software. Within folder, you can create multiple folders.
Yeah.
This is common folder. Here you can mention your checklist, your to-dos, your forms. This is common. This is not related to algebra software house. Okay?
Okay. Yeah.
This is public document. So without any access right, your team member can have access to public document.
Good. Yeah.
Yeah. And this is vault. Vault means only those team member will be able to access who are assigned this role, access right, who are given the access right.
Okay.
Is that clear to you, sir?
I have a question here. Now, let's say algebra software house is the one client.
Yeah.
This client has different folders, and different these folders are related to different tasks.
Yes, sir.
So first task is given to first employee, and the second task is given to the second employee.
Yes, sir.
So will the both employees will have access to the entire data of algebra software, or only to the respective task-wise folders they will have an access?
Okay. Now earlier what we did, we were of the same view like you were telling, and we developed that kind of software only, right? But the problem which we were facing is our team are not that kind of evolved team, right? And there were problem of master data. So definitely only those team member will be able to access the algebra software house folder who are actually working on algebra software house. Any project of algebra software.
That's good.
Right?
Okay. Yeah.
All right. So this much surety is there. But now we have kept it very simple. The way we are doing folder structuring in your computer, same kind of structuring I'm offering you. Earlier we were very rigid. That only those documents will appear. If it is service text, only service text folder will appear. But now that restriction is removed, because it were creating so many conflicts between us, and it was consuming so much time in explaining these things to client. So what we did, we removed it, but this restriction is there. This will appear only to those who are actually working on this project.
Correct. Okay.
Clear to you, sir?
Yes.
Okay.
So suppose in case if suddenly employee 1 wants to access the certain client details, till now he was not added to the task and for that particular client.
Yeah.
So again, someone has to add him to the task, and then only he can access the data of that particular client.
You can assign that, it's not necessary to assign it into task. This is task.
Yeah.
And this project.
Yes.
Right? Yeah. If you are assigning into a project, okay, he will be able to see that client project.
Okay.
Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes.
This is what you want to ask, no?
Yeah, I want to ask, even if suppose till now he was not added into the project.
Yeah.
Suddenly he want to have access to that particular client files.
No, sir. We have different systems, sir. First of all, if he is working on a project, he should have definitely access to that client. Yeah. Yes or no?
Correct. He will
One more thing is there. Correct. One more thing is there. Okay. If you are assigning him the access right through roles,
Yeah. Okay.
Suppose he is the manager
Okay.
of the entire firm. He is not working
Okay.
in any project, but he wants
Yeah.
to manage the entire firm, right?
Yeah.
Whether I should give him access right or not. Yes, definitely. How to do
Yeah.
that? Through roles.
Okay.
You getting my point, sir?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
If I have provided this access right, this will work definitely,
Okay.
even if that person is not there in the project.
Okay.
Am I right, sir?
Yeah.
Any other question, sir?
See, this is a cloud-based platform, no? So employee
Yes.
can access from anywhere.
Yes.
So what is the guarantee that employee can take? Suppose now I have given 10 clients folder details, including
Yes.
all tasks.
Yes, sir.
So they can download the files and then they can take it into their own systems.
Okay. Suggest me the method to stop it, sir.
Yeah, I think you are showing the document log here.
Yes, sir.
So that means it will appear to us like when they have downloaded thing or uploaded that
Perfect.
kind of a thing here is there.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Okay. Okay.
Right.
So
I.
can we fix
I.
like suppose see our employee no my question is our employees will work only on our systems like they come to office and they work in our own systems.
So within a 1 month or two, you will be getting this feature that you can fix it with IP. So only
Okay.
if you have fixed IP, right, you can provide the fixed IP.
Yeah.
On the basis of fixed IP address only, your team member will be able to access.
Okay.
Right?
Okay.
Should I
Okay.
suggest you something, sir?
Yes. Yes. Please.
Don't worry. If you are mentioning that everything is being logged and you are showing
Okay.
this detail to client, to staff member,
Mm-hmm.
right? They will not be able to do this, sir.
Okay. No, it's general common question that
Yeah.
generally in every CA office will not have that much control center.
Yeah.
In general, I'm asking.
Yeah. But this earlier we were like that only, but we
Okay.
were facing so many questions, sir.
Okay.
Right? So what we did, we have kept the entire log of the system. You can
Okay.
definitely query it,
Yeah.
right? Okay, and you can do the filter, and we have facility of automation as well. So if you
Okay.
have any doubts, if someone is deleting some files, I have to
Mhm.
stop it. That kind of automation we can do.
Okay. Like let's suppose like one file is he has one employee has deleted. Can we get it back like within so many days like that?
Within 15 days.
Within 15 days we can get it back.
Yeah.
Okay.
Am I right,
Okay.
sir?
Yeah. I mean, I just asked like
Yes.
in case
So
if it is deleted wrongly, you can get
so
it back within
yeah,
15
yeah.
days.
So what we do, we keep a trash folder,
Mhm.
and from trash you can retrieve within 15 days. If you cannot
Okay. Okay.
retrieve,
Yeah.
it will get deleted permanently.
So can we get a notification like these and so documents like in the trash it will be deleted after so and so day?
Uh,
Okay.
right now it is not there, but definitely we can
Yeah.
do this because it is there here on.
Yeah.
Okay, we
Okay.
can do it,
Yeah.
sir. But right now
Okay.
it is not there.
Okay.
As of
Okay.
date, it is not there, but we can
Yeah.
definitely build this feature.
Yeah.
Okay, this is good suggestion. Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay, any other thing, sir? Shall we?
Yeah.
Okay. So while your team member is working on project, he can, and if you have started practice of timesheet, right,
Mhm.
you should keep it simple, right? So what your team
Yes.
member is supposed to do, he just need to play this button
Yeah.
and the timer will start ticking.
Okay.
So it will automatically help your team member in filling up the timesheet.
Okay.
Fair enough, sir?
Yes. Yes.
Easy?
Yeah.
Okay. But suppose uh, your team member wants to do entry, right? Later on also, he can do it, sir.
Okay.
Clear, sir? So there are two ways in which they can fill up the timesheet. When you're checking the timesheet
One
of,
is manually and one.
yeah, when you're checking timesheet of any member, you'll will see like
Yes.
this. You can filter time wise, client wise, service wise, okay, staff wise,
Right.
and you can see
Yeah.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, right?
Yes.
Whole week.
Yeah.
Okay, and whole month.
Okay.
Like this, sir. Can you see this timesheet?
Yeah.
Okay, company name, project name, service name, year, duration. If it is work, they have worked on project. If they
Okay.
have not worked on project, this is the red color. Can you see? This is red color.
Yeah. What is it? Is
Check collection.
okay.
You have sent one of your team member to collect check from client.
Okay.
It took 1 hour.
Mm-hmm.
Definitely, this is not the project work. Yes or no?
Okay. Okay. Okay.
This
Other
is
than the
not,
project work. Okay.
this is not the project work. So this is
Correct.
without project. Can you
Yeah.
see? With
Yes.
project, without project. So you
Yeah.
can track productive time and unproductive time as well.
Okay. Okay.
Good?
Yeah.
Okay. So this is very detailed software, sir. But I would request you to implement into phases. So the first phase would be to work on the project on list level, not even the detail level. We have to go, sir. Can you tell me your team size?
So we are 6 members team.
6 members team, right? So it will, you will definitely move fast because you're only team size of 6, right? So within a month
Yeah.
or two, if you all the team members are comfortable, you can move to second phase.
Yeah.
So we have, what we have done.
Mhm.
See, there are so many features. Features doesn't matter.
Mhm.
What matters, how those features are helping us in solving our problem. Yes or no?
Correct. Exactly.
And
Exactly.
I believe that
Yes, sir.
there is Pareto principle which actually works in each and every area. So we have
Yeah.
to opt for only those 20% features which solves 80% of our problem. Yes or no?
Correct.
Right? So I would suggest
Yeah.
you to initially implement only 20% of this practice management software. And that 20% is nothing but we'll be getting list of contact, we'll be getting list of our client, linking the services and all,
Yeah.
and we'll be working on the project list here only.
Yeah.
Because here we want to develop 3 habits in our office.
Yeah.
Right? Once you are satisfied, yes, we have developed this these habits. I will suggest you to move to the detail level. I will suggest you on the second phase move to the detail level and start working on documents as well.
Okay.
If you are comfortable with that, then I will suggest you in third phase go to the accounts level. Now you can do automated billing and collection and getting payments as well.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
You getting my point?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Right? Am I clear to you, sir?
Yes.
So it
Yes.
is
Very much.
yours, but I would suggest you a journey which is easy to follow, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So we have another feature, accounts. Accounts is nothing but the you can do your own accounting, not the client accounting, your own accounting, right? You
Yeah.
can look at
Correct.
client ledger. You can definitely see how many projects are unbilled related to which client.
Yeah. Correct.
So just a minute, my battery is low. I hope you are enjoying this demo, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. Have you seen any other solution as well?
Yes, sir. I have been seeing it like my boss is asking like one software we need to implement. I've been gone through some 4 5 softwares till now.
Okay.
So one feature I liked about in your software is the document management system. So like how we manage in our computer, the same way it is there.
Yes.
So that is one good feature, and others is also like you are showing only the numbers on the face of the dashboard. So
Yes.
like my boss doesn't want to see like which are all clients and all is pending. He just want to see like what is the total number of clients which are pending and what is completed like that in a summary form.
Perfect.
That is also there. So that is one other good option.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So
I
what
think
kind of softwares, can you name those softwares which you have already evaluated?
okay. There is my task, ERPCA, CA
Okay.
automation, simplified practice.
Okay. 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 Perfect.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you for sharing, sir. Sir,
Yeah.
this is list of this is the accounts list. So definitely you will not be able to implement in the first phase, but in third phase I will suggest you to implement the accounting. Right here, I will be
Okay.
helping you in identifying the projects which are unbilled. Right.
Okay.
So you can see in ABC there are 72 projects which we have done, but we have not billed to client. If I go inside, I will be able to see those 72 projects. I have to just click those projects and do the billing. Easy enough, sir?
Yeah.
Okay. Are you following me, sir?
Yes.
Okay. I'm not going into detail of this module, but
Correct.
this feature is there, sir.
Yeah.
Okay. And we have kept it very simple, sir. Right?
Yes.
Document is clear to you, sir. Document export. Okay. Timesheet I already covered.
Okay.
But timesheet I would suggest you to implement in second phase, not in the first phase. Right?
Yes.
Okay. Then next is, sir, query builder I already shown you. And
Yeah.
I claim that this feature is not available in any of the software that you have evaluated till now.
Yeah.
Am I right or wrong, sir?
Yes, it is not there.
Right? Further is automation, sir.
Okay.
And I claim this feature is also not there in any feature, in any of the software.
Correct.
What is automation? See, when we implement system, we also develop our own system, right? And we expect more and more as we move ahead. Yes or no? So system should be such that it should evolve, right? It should have a capability to evolve as per the client's needs, right or wrong? So in future, you may wish to have, if this happens, that should happen automatically. If project gets completed, automatic email and SMS should get triggered to client. If project gets completed, automatic billing should be done. Do you expect this kind of feature?
Yeah, this is not there in other software. That is good.
You're getting my point? So we have provided you automation, and there are two kinds of automation. First is schedule based. Schedule based means every Monday this should happen.
Yeah.
Every 15th this should happen.
Okay.
Every first this should happen. This is schedule based automation.
Okay.
So schedule based automation means like this, and event based automation means if this happens, that should happen. If you can visualize this, if this happens, that should happen, I can help you in doing that. So what it would be? If project gets completed, if project gets created, automatic email should get triggered to client.
Correct.
If new client is created, a welcome email should get triggered to client.
Okay. Yeah.
Yes or no?
Yeah.
Right. And this feature is not there in any of the software.
Correct. It is
right?
not.
This is a technical feature, but we have because this is why we have implemented the software, right? If there is no automation, what is need of the software, right? Correct. So all other software will work only after you log on to those system. But in our system, you may not be logged on, but our system will work as per the instruction provided by you. You getting my point, sir?
Okay.
Even if you are not logged in, right? Our system will continue to work even if you are not working. You are not logged in, as per the instruction provided by you, as per setting done by you.
Okay.
Am I clear to you, sir?
Yes, sir. Very much. Yeah, understood.
Okay. Next is, sir, this is a feature where you will be able to see email. You can create your own templates, automated templates. You can do setting for SMS, right? Okay, you can broadcast the message, and this is API tools. So this is the first software in India, not in India, in any of the practice management software, they do not provide APIs. I provide API. So if you want to develop, use your API and you want to develop your functionality, you can develop.
Okay. So how does it work, sir, exactly? I mean, API calls means? So
API calls means you need to hire a developer which will customize this system for you.
Okay.
Right? Okay. Shall I move ahead, sir?
Yes.
Okay. Now next is marketplace.
Yeah, got it. I gone through it, sir. Like there are a number of services wherein checklist will be available, no?
Perfect. Perfect. And this is also not there in any of the systems, sir.
Correct. Yeah.
Am I right, sir?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
One more thing, sir. One more thing. Home page, we have already gone through.
Yeah.
Okay. But what if I want to provide, I want to track any number of my choice, right? So I have developed the system called personal gadget. This is a gadget as per your
Okay.
choice. You can customize it, right?
Okay.
I can track number of projects which are on hold or whatever. So query we have shown you, sir.
Mm-hmm.
Hello, hello.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
So you can
Hello.
create a query builder and you can create your own gadget,
Mhm.
right? You can mention like
Okay.
the number of clients we have generated this month. We have generated new clients or the number of projects completed this month, right? So any number, that can be
Okay.
any number, and we can help you in tracking that number through gadgets.
Okay.
You getting my point, sir?
Yeah. Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. Next is staff. So there are so many things. Staff
Yeah.
is there. So you can manage your staff from here. You can
Yeah.
add one, you can delete one, you can block one. Block means if your staff goes on leave,
Yeah.
you don't
Yeah.
want to delete him.
Correct.
You
Correct.
want to just block him,
Correct.
right?
Yes, sir.
And you can unblock as well. If
Correct.
this team member is leaving you
Yeah.
and there are 50 projects with him,
Yeah.
right? And you want an easy solution that I want to simply move all his move tasks to some other person.
Correct.
This simple solution is there.
Yeah.
Okay,
Correct.
sir? Okay.
Yeah.
One more thing, sir. So there are so many things, sir, but important things I'm talking about roles management. So you can manage the access right like this. And we have done
Yeah.
detailed work on it. This kind of detailed
Okay.
working is not there in any of the software. You can customize your access right.
Yes.
I definitely claim
Okay.
in any of the software it is not there, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Further,
Yes.
here we have created a detailed help file. Detailed help file for each and every module is there, right? So it's very easy for your team member to understand the software. Or if you wish to create any, ticket, you can create in support.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Okay. We are always there available on WhatsApp, or
Okay.
you can definitely call us, right?
Okay.
So if you have any questions, you can ask me.
Okay, sir. Sir, like the way how you presented, it's very good.
Yeah.
The software is looking like user friendly only.
Yeah.
One thing, like, is there any PPT or a PDF document? Because I also need to explain to my boss again. What he asked me to just go through the demo and highlight me what is the importance of the software. That is what he asked me. So
Okay.
if any PDF or PPT is available, so that it can be helpful for me, like when I'm going to give demo again to him. So in
Very.
a brief manner, that is
Yeah.
one thing.
I will try to create one, but right now we don't have one.
Yes.
We manage through
Okay.
demo only, right? So, but
Yeah.
definitely
Yeah.
let's see. I should create one definitely. Give me a 1 day time, sir.
Yeah.
Right? I'll create it
Oh,
for you.
sure.
Any other
Sure, sir.
thing, sir?
Sir, here in this employee attendance is there, no, sir?
Sir, when the staff is logged in, we are keeping log of everything.
Yeah.
Now he's doing punching of the timesheet as well, right? Should I
Okay.
do this manually or it should automatically happen?
No, it should be done automatically.
This is there, sir. Don't worry.
Yeah. Okay. And regarding the data, so we'll be saving the client information here in the cloud itself. Like
Yes.
how much GB of data can we store?
Sir, any size, no problem. You are supposed to pay for it.
Okay, so depending upon the data size, we need to pay for that then.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So regarding the pricing, do you want to speak anything?
Yes, sir. So pricing
Okay.
is like this only.
Okay.
So you have two choice.
Correct.
Either go for like this,
Mhm.
8,500 for 3 users,
Okay.
and for every additional user, 1200 rupees. And these are per annum prices.
Okay.
Should I repeat it?
8,500 is inclusive of GST, sir?
8,500 per annum for 3 users plus GST.
Plus GST. Okay. Okay.
So this is 8,500 is the base
In
price.
case if you want to add another, correct.
So 8,500 for 3 users. For every additional
Yeah.
user, you can write down, sir. For every additional
Correct.
user,
Yeah.
1,200 rupees per annum.
Okay.
Then for we are offering you 2,000 email for free in a year. Hello.
Okay.
But if your
Yes, sir. Yes.
if your email usage is more than 2,000 rupee or 2,000, then we'll be charging you 10 paisa per
Yeah.
email. Why we are
Okay.
charging
10
this?
paisa
Because,
per email. Okay.
yeah, why we are charging this? Because we will show you the details of emails. Who has opened this email? Who has read this email? This kind of summary detail will appear to you, sir. Can you see this, sir?
Okay.
Can you see this?
One
Open,
second. It's loading, I
delivered,
think.
right?
Correct.
Okay.
Yeah.
Second, we'll be charging you for the SMS count. We do not offer any free SMS. So whatever SMS that you are going to use, you have to buy a package 40 paisa per SMS. It's a transactional message. That means on D&D number also it will be delivered.
Okay.
Right? It's like bank messages, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Third is storage. So you are going to store your files.
Yeah.
Definitely you can create unlimited number of projects. You can create unlimited number of contact company. But if you are uploading files, you are using our storage capacity, right?
Okay.
We have cloud storage, no problem. You can upload any size of data, but you have to pay for it. So what is the payment? 2 GB is free per annum. For every additional GB, you have to pay 350 per annum.
350. Okay.
Right? So this is the one method.
Yeah.
This is one method. This is one method. We have another option as well. This was the first option where we have mentioned everything and you are going to provide us a commitment. Okay, these many users for 1 year and these are the price we are supposed to pay. Yes or no? Second option.
Yeah.
Second option. We have kept it very easy. First option is called user base. Second option is called usage base. I should repeat it. It is called usage base. So whatever you are using, you are supposed to pay for it.
Okay.
What will happen here? So why this kind of function is there in our system? First, Easycloudbook is hosted on Google Cloud, and Google Cloud charges on cloud function. Cloud function means whatever the data we are calling through buttons and query, right? The query may be solved in a second or two, or it may take 30 seconds or 50 seconds, and the quantity of data is it's supposed to deliver, right? So they call it cloud function. So Google charges on the usage base at calculating the cloud function called and all, and they give us the detail. This is the cloud function. This is the charges, and we add our margin and we bill to you. Hello.
Okay. Yeah.
So what we offer you, we offer you another solution of, you will be billed on like this. Every day you will be able to see the usage, right?
Okay.
You can buy credit. You can definitely buy credit, right? So whatever credit you have bought, if it got exhausted, it will stop working on it.
Yeah. Okay.
So you need to buy, and this is the good feature, right? Because you will be going to implement into phases, right? And you are not working on Saturday and Sunday. You should not be charged for Saturday and Sunday. Yes or no? Right?
Yeah.
And this is because of this we have developed this functionality, and this is competitive. This is very competitive because you are going to pay for the usage, actual usage only.
Okay.
Right? And what happens? You can definitely you should start with this billing method, because you can definitely track the billing for each and every day. And when you feel like that I am ready for the first kind of method, you can go for it. But if
Okay.
you opted for first method, right, you have to wait for 1 year till the completion of that plan. Yes or no?
Yes, yes. So this is like, see, is there any period for which we need to take credit? Or like, let's say I will take credit of 1,000 rupees now. If
Yeah.
tomorrow it gets exhausted, again I need to recharge it.
Yes. So
Hello.
if you buy credit, you'll offer discount as well.
Okay.
For example, if you are paying 10,000 rupees, you will be getting credit of
Mhm.
11,000.
Okay. Okay.
You are buying 20,000 rupees, you will be getting credit of 24,000 rupees.
Oh, like that. Okay. Mhm. Sir, one more question here. See, the usage in the terms of how do we use the platform in the
Yes.
web application, correct?
No.
And
So
another,
yeah. So I
and
think usage will be a better option for you. You can taste it.
oh,
You can make up your mind, and till the time
correct.
you are not using all the features, usage plan will be better for
Yeah.
you. I again
Okay.
repeat, till the time you have not implemented the system in totality. Because
Okay.
what happens
Yeah.
for the commitment price, we calculate the total usage.
Sir, your voice is not audible, sir.
Yes. So I will suggest you till the
Yes.
time you have not implemented the entire system, I
Yeah.
will suggest you to go for this method
Okay.
because it will be cost effective,
Correct. Correct.
right? But
Yeah.
when you have implemented the entire system,
Mhm.
right, you can compare the prices, whatever is comfortable to you, right?
Then,
You can
yeah.
move from second method to first method.
Okay. Right. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yeah.
So according to my point of view, you
Usage.
told me you have team size of 6, right?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Right. So
Yes.
I don't think initially it will cost you more than 500 rupees for 3-4 months or 6 months till the
Okay.
time you implemented more phases, right?
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I suppose I have given you the satisfactory answer. So till the time
Mhm.
you are on first phase, I consider you'll be making usage of only 500, 550, 600 likewise,
Okay. Okay.
right?
Yeah.
For all the staff.
So that is you are saying per quarter, initial phase.
So say for example, you are in first phase and you are just using
Mhm.
contact company project module and that to list level. So you are
Mhm.
not definitely
Mhm.
making big use of it. So you will be charged. I
Mhm.
don't think you will be charged more than 500 or 550 or 600 for the total team per month.
Okay. Per month. Okay. Okay.
Is that clear to you, sir?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
And like, say, let's say like we only implement the first three modules.
Yeah.
So can we store the documents that time?
Yes, sir. You can definitely store the document. No problem.
Okay. So the other features will not be there, but
All other features will be there, sir.
it
There
will
is
be
no
there, but
problem.
will not be having in this one.
Yes, yes, sir. You will
Correct.
be those features will be in by default available to you. There is
Correct.
no right. All the features are available from the
Correct.
in
Yes.
totality from the first phase itself. But
Correct.
I would suggest you to implement into phases.
Correct. Correct. Okay. Okay, sir. Yeah.
Any
Uh,
other thing, sir?
no, sir. I think I
So
have.
how do you feel the software, sir?
It is good. Actually, I was searching from 3 days back. I already logged in. I was going through it.
Yeah,
So one, that's what I liked. Some of the features, like it is giving me the count on the dashboard itself. Other thing, we can store the document how we store in the computer. That is
yeah,
another good one feature. So
yeah,
that email and messaging also, some of the softwares it is not available. That is there here.
right. And
Yeah,
how about the
one
UI
way.
user interface?
Yes, sir. Yeah, I felt little slow because like what I'm. Let's say when I want to search a company,
Yeah,
so it will. I think it takes little time. I feel.
let me see, sir.
Yeah.
What do you want to do, sir?
Huh. So here, if I want to search the, let's say, third one of the,
After we need 4 characters minimum, sir.
Okay. So that is what, like when we say like first three digits itself, it is not coming. Like it takes time. That is
It
what.
will not search, sir. We
Yeah.
need minimum
Four
4 digits.
digits. Okay. Now I got it. Okay. Okay.
You getting my point?
Yeah. I got it. Until we type the four digits, then it will not show. Okay.
Right. It
Correct.
will not start search till
Okay.
the 4 characters are typed.
Okay. Then we need to adapt. Then typing four digits at the first instant.
Minimum, sir.
Yeah.
Minimum.
Right. Right.
And one more thing, sir. One more thing.
Yeah.
If I search Daftari, can you see?
Yeah.
It's not the initial letter you are supposed to type. You can type
Correct.
any letters.
Any letter we can type. Correct.
Okay. If I want to type the mobile number, would it show?
Yeah. Yeah.
It will again show, right? It will work on the mobile number as well. It will work on the
Okay.
email as well.
Correct.
You getting my point, sir?
Yes. Yes. Sir. Yes.
Our system is faster than any other system that we have tested, sir. Whatever the system you told
Okay.
us,
Okay.
we have already tested those systems and we have compared it with our system.
Okay.
We are
Okay.
paying premium price to Google Cloud than any other software.
Okay.
They
Okay.
may not be using, some of these softwares are actually not cloud-based software. Though they claim they are cloud-based software, they are actually not. One more
Okay.
thing, sir. One more thing. As we are talking, technical specification, right?
Yeah.
They are keeping all data together. That means company for each and every practice, they are not keeping it separate. For all the chartered accountants, they keep it together. Whereas
Okay.
in our company, we keep separate database for each and every firm, and
Okay.
that is why you can see, right? And one more feature, sir. Have you seen Easycloudbook logo anywhere here, sir?
No, nowhere it is there.
Why? Because we are providing white labeling solution. Now there is one more solution coming. Even the URL will be yours URL.
Okay.
This URL,
Yes. Yes.
Easycloudbook will not be there.
Correct. Correct. Correct.
Why we are able to do this, sir? Because we are keeping separate database for each and every company. So
Okay.
your data in anyhow, will not be mixed up with any other practice firm.
Okay.
You getting my point, sir?
Okay. Yes. 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 Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
And this is why our data are very faster, because we have a lot of your data only. There is no other company's data is there,
Correct. Okay.
right? And that is why our
Yeah.
system is faster than any other fast system. But this is just, because you were
But how
not
come
aware that
you
4
have
characters.
taken the
Pardon, sir?
one general question? I am not expert in IT and all things. One general question, like you take the Google Cloud space for so much of let's say some 5 TB or 6 TB.
No, sir. This is not how the Google Cloud works. Google
Okay.
Cloud works on usage basis. So uh, they basically, what they do, automatic scaling is there, sir. So
Okay.
as and when I am getting more number of times, I don't have to do it manually. It will
Oh.
automatically do my work, right?
Mhm.
So if the load is if there are so many clients who are actually working right now, if suddenly a load comes, Google will provide multiple servers to us, right?
Okay.
If the load is low, it will reduce the servers. This is how the cloud works, sir.
Okay. Okay.
Right? And that is why we are paying extra premium to Google Cloud.
Okay. Okay.
So because it is self-managed system, we don't have to manage the servers, sir. It
Okay.
provides us the facility of, if the load is, if there are so many, logged in users, right? So it will manage the load. It will provide multiple servers,
Okay.
right? Any other thing, sir?
No, sir. I think I, I have asked whatever is
I
there.
would,
In
I
case if I have anything, I can.
definitely you can reach me. You can, you can connect me with your the boss. I will definitely explain him.
Yes.
I would request you one thing, sir.
Yes.
Can I expect a review from
Yes.
you
Yes.
on the LinkedIn?
Yes. I can. I can give.
Right? I think I have given you a good demo, and I think most of the features are
Yes,
there
demo was
because some of
good.
the problems are there.
Definitely.
So if
Yeah.
you understand that whatever the features we have developed with so much
Mhm.
consideration of the about the problem, right? So we
Correct.
develop solution because of the problem, or we want to enable on certain aspect, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So please provide us a good feedback on LinkedIn. This will help us in reaching the other clients.
Sure. Sure. Sure.
Thank you for time.